This tutorial video shows how to put a trestle table base together with the top and self-storing leaves with a magnet system. Shown here is how your table base will come if you opted to put the table together yourself. You'll have 2 trestle bases and 2 trestle stringers. Each of these stringers will have a metal stud on the end with a washer and a nut. Shown here is the diamond dust covers on each end, and what you do is basically slide the table trestle base through each end, add the nut and washer, and tighten. Be sure to do both the top and bottom on the left end, then do the end, or you will not get the pieces to fit. Here's a completed trestle base. The letter A shows the 4 metal studs on top of the base. The washer and nut now need to be removed in anticipation of adding the tabletop. Shown in the center frame is the nut and washer that will be added when the tabletop is set onto the trestle base through the 2 holes. Shown here is the nut and washer recessed into the attachment board top. Here's the table fully opened. You will notice on the fore side that there are 2 holes. This is where the nut's attached to. Here's a close-up letter B showing the same nuts and washers. Shown here is a decorative leaf skirt. If you don't know what a leaf skirt is, it is the decorative board that attaches underneath of the table that gives the table a thicker appearance. We call these skirts. Here is a table leaf ready to be self-stored into the table. Shown here is the geared slide mechanism fully open, letter A. Letter B shows the correct way to store the leaf. The B side, or the smooth side, should face the outside of the table, and the letter C should face the inside. This is where the pegs are. The reason for this is if the pegs are put in backwards, the area of letter B and A will shear off the pegs when the table is closed. This is a great time to remind you that the skirted leaf always goes in the table base first. The skirt sits down inside of the breadboard, just as shown, and then the unskirted leaf, or the leaf with no skirt, sits on top of it, allowing 4 leaves to be stored inside of most of our tables. If you're looking for a table that has all 4 skirts on for that decorative appearance, however your table is only able to store 2 leaves with skirts and 2 without, we have a solution for you. We have a patent pending magnet system that attaches a magnetized skirt to the leaf of your table. These magnets simply disconnect by popping it off and storing it in a drawer, and when you're ready, the magnet system holds the skirt directly on. Here's a magnetic skirt being held on. During this tutorial, we have been showing you a trestle table with the leaves shown in storage. Obviously, when you're putting your tabletop on, the leaves would be removed, and the last step of the process would be to add your 2 bottom leaves with skirts and then the 2 without. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your business.